Here's Robbie Parker's hands. Let's grab Robbie. There's Robbie Parker. He's at his press conference. Think that's Robbie Parker? We'll let you look. That's not what this video is about. This video is about hands. So here we have Robert Bouval, and I believe this video is to be unaltered or not CGI. I believe this video could quite possibly be CGI. And if we just compare the hands of an unaltered video and perhaps a CGI video, notice as the hands move and even motion blur, you're still going to see the shadowy parts, things like that. Let's go forward a little bit, compare the movement. So if you notice, we got a blur here, and then we got some really nice fingers. I think someone did a video once on the claw fingers of the Robbie Parker girls. I think this is another example of claw fingers. You trying to scare us, Robbie? But let's keep moving forward. So let's ask, now that might be a normal gray. Well, let's keep her going. Keep her going. Let her walk through that door. Who's coming up next? Okay, that hand has fingers. Sure. Why the heck not? Let's keep her going. Is this motion blur right here? Right there, that solid block of color? Because I know if you look at Robert, that's motion blur, where the fingers look like they're disappearing because his hand is moving fast. Look at his hands. That's motion blur. But this solid block of what's-its is nothing. So let's back it up. Take a look at motion blur. Backing it up. Motion blur. Fingers kind of disappear. The stump stays there. Forward. Not motion blur. It stays the same lumpy, colory, fleshy tone hand. What's that? And how come his fingers have no definition, but claw fingers have definition? I'm trying to figure this out, folks. There has to be some sort of CGI expert out there to help us. Now, Mr. Redshirt's not the only problem. Guess God didn't give him fingers. Guess he was born with no fingers. He's not lucky like Robert. But is he the only one with no fingers compared to Robbie Parker who's got fingers? Oh, that guy doesn't get fingers either. And you know what? No motion blur. How come that hand has no fingers, but it's not moving? It's steady on the door. So let's go back just a little bit. See, it's not moving. There you go. It needs fingers. It needs color. Robbie's not moving. How come he has fingers? Even Robert, when he's in the middle of a motion blur, you can see the shade between the fingers. Solid, no fingers. Could this all be CGI and they're just saving on rendering? There you go. So we got a hand problem at Sandy Hook, I guess. So we got this hand coming up. That's got a real interesting thing. It gets long and short and long and short. Let's back that up. Watch that hand right there. And I find it interesting when they get to the door, they show the fingers after. Don't need them. Boom. So if we watch those fingers, we're backing it up now. Oh, they got fingers. Go forward. Yeah, he's moving. All right, so let's watch this hand as we back it up. Back that up. Watch that hand. It's going to do something funky. Oh, it's growing. It's growing. It's growing. Watch it go. So it's doing really weird things. I don't know. They didn't have good animation. If we watch that. Go forward. It's not moving that fast. Oh, there you go. I see some shadowing now. There you go. There's something there, but I don't know why it's even covering the... That could be bleeding, perhaps. I'm no expert. I'm just asking why it's fuzzy. No, it's not. Now he's got fingers. No finger. And now he's got finger. Right there through the door. So we got a bit of a door problem. That's not at all like Robert's hands right here. If we watch him, Robert's hands move. There you go, Robert. Don't be shy. There you go. He's moving them. And they never stay one solid block of color ever. So let's back that up. So what's going on with the Sandy Hook hands? Let's move it. You got to watch this door. They're tricky, the Sandy Hook hand people. Okay, I would expect that looks like motion blur. Let's carry it forward. What? Doing? Oh, that's interesting. Again, lost his fingers even though there's no motion blur because it's basically staying. Notice they were able to put that one little finger there, tink, finger, tink, gone. Enough to make you think that he had a real hand working there. All right. Hands. There you go, Robbie. Let's look at Robbie's hands as we fade out. That ring's kind of bouncing around on his fingers a little bit. He's sure getting good coverage out of that claw hand. And if we look at some of these, and you know, items do disappear. But that was weird. There's that guy coming around the back of him. There's just too many weird things in this video.